Alrighty, all you cool cats and kittens out there today, we're going to go ahead and talk about different types of architecture plans that are out there. So right here, this is a plot plan. You always get one of these. It's like a plot survey. It helps you understand your property a little bit. It shows you kind of where your property starts, where it ends, where your house is located, any other structures such as a patio. Um, in my case, there's a shed, the roads, the sidewalks, the sewer systems, all of this stuff. So, this plot of land, a lot of times you'll see a surveyor out there when a house is being sold where they are putting down little plastic flags. If you have ever been in your backyard or front yard and you're like, well, why is this piece of metal found in the grass? It's low, it's really low. Sometimes they have to be kind of brought up so maybe you don't see it. But those are pipes that show the surveyor where your property starts and where your property sort of ends. So I think it's kind of cool. I got one of these. It also has my tax number on it, tells me my subdivision and what lot number I'm on, that kind of deal. So plot plans, you get those a lot of times when you are selling a house or buying a house. Now, next, we have here a foundation plan. Now, I've never really seen one of these right here, but this plan designates the outside of the walls, the foundation, what it's built upon. Most of the time, it will not have interior wall structures, but sometimes it does if it's help supporting the house. So mine, if it had some, I'm not sure if it'd have a wall, but in my basement, I have some poles. So most likely those poles would probably be in the foundation plan. Now we're going to be talking about the front or first floor plans or a floor plan. And this is what we have been working with. This shows the load and non-load bearing walls. I don't know if there's a way that they denote it or not. I don't think so. Basically, it is a bird's eye view. You're looking down inside your house from a top view. It shows you where your windows, your doors, appliances, sometimes furniture. You know, we've put our bed in there and stuff like that. And sometimes it shows us where some of the fixtures are. The next type of architecture plan is elevation. Now, I've only seen elevation when you're building a house. I believe when in college, they kind of built my fraternity house. So I remember seeing architectural plans like this. It shows, it's like a side view and probably a front view of the house, and shows sort of the elevation, the ground. Is it up? It kind of shows how tall the house is. It probably gives some height of different things and what it would look like based off of, you know, a 3D sort of grading system. You know, I don't mean like ABC, but sort of from high to low. Another type of architecture plan is something that we have probably used in floor plan, where from the outside you can have a 3D view. It helps the client or whoever is rendering it or whoever wants it, like, well, what would it look like? And as you see, you're able to add cars and trees and peeps, that kind of deal. I've seen at the board presentations how they're redoing Lincoln, how they're redoing Edison. I've seen these 3D where then they drop people in, even, you know, and they're not even like these black figures. They look like little people nowadays. The software has gotten better. We also do have some architecture plans that are specific for electrical, mechanical, and plumbing systems. This might show you where light switches are. Fixtures would be hung, such as lights. Outlets might show the HVAC system, which would be the heating ducts. If you go down to your basement or go where your air conditioner / furnace is, you'll see these big metal sort of square. Sometimes they go round, but mostly square heating ducts. And that's where the air conditioning, forced air conditioning, and heat goes through. Also, you'll probably have some plumbing lines or sewer lines. Finally, I believe this is the last one, another type of architectural plan are construction details. I, again, have never seen one of these before, but structural details help builders complete the house, kind of how you're envisioning where the foundation is going to be, how the ceiling, how you're going to kind of put things together so you have proper support. I'm sure it has to do with not just architecture, but some engineering. And like I said, that's it. So hopefully you learned a little bit about the different types of architectural plans that are used to construct dwellings. All right. Peace.